Hi, welcome to We Record. My name is Brian. Today we're going to be continuing our Logic Pro X tutorial series. This is actually lesson number 2, where I'm going to show you how to set up a session for recording. So the first thing I'm going to do is just close out the session that I had previously, and then we'll take it from there. So the first thing you want to do when you load up Logic is you go to File and you hit New. Pretty straightforward. I'm going to be doing audio tracks only, so I'm going to select 6 tracks for this particular test. One thing I want to note is that your audio input is going to be shown on this side. As you can see, I'm using my USB microphone, and your audio output will also show on the side. So basically, whatever audio interface you're showing should show up in this particular area. If it doesn't, you want to make sure that you have it set up properly. So I'm just going to hit create. And there you have it. Basically, I have 6 tracks that's ready to be recorded upon. In this particular example, I would be importing a 2-track instrumental. And what I would do is just go to my desktop and import it on. The next thing I would do is go to File, Save. You want to make sure save your project accordingly. You could basically call it whatever you want to call it. So I'm just going to call it Test 2. You could actually save it as a package or a folder. A package basically holds the files. Folder holds the files. So just a matter of preference. I prefer the way the folders look. So I typically select that. And I'm only doing audio files, so I would only select this. But if you're using these particular items as well, you want to make sure click those so that Logic could save those files in the same folder. So after that, you basically hit save. I won't do it for this example, but you would save, and pretty much you would be done. So that's our lesson for the day. Stay tuned for lesson number 3, where we actually get into recording. And again, if you haven't liked, make sure you like and subscribe to that channel below.